Hanji students, very good afternoon. I'm Murthy, your history teacher, going to teach you theme 1 from the beginning of time. Very interesting theme. In this chapter, we will read about the human evaluation. It is known to you that we people are animals, social animals, but our features are changed and we became modern people. How it is possible? How these changes took place? This is the theme. This is the lesson. So let me explain. This chapter traces the beginning of human existence. It was 5.6 million years ago. Means if we have written M Y A, what it means million. M means million, Y means years, A means ago. मीन्स जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं हम 5.6 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो इट वाज 5.6 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो that the first human like creature appeared on the earth's surface. Not human, not modern human, this one human, like we are modern human. Means 5.6 million years ago that the first human like creature, मनुष्य जैसा creature धरती की सतह के ऊपर प्रकट हुआ. ओके, आफ्टर दिस सेवरल फॉर्म्स ऑफ ह्यूमन emerged. इसके बाद बहुत सी ह्यूमन की जो फॉर्म्स हैं emerged होती रही, disappear होती रही, emerged होती रही, disappeared and then became extinct. मीन्स वो प्रकट हुई धरती पे फिर अलोप हो गई. एक्सटेंड मीन खत्म हो गई, प्रकट हुई फिर खत्म हो गई. मीन इट्स अ लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री टू बी बिकम मॉडर्न ह्यूमन. आज का ह्यूमन बनने के लिए बहुत सा समय लगा है, बहुत सी चेंजेस आई हैं. वो कौन कौन सी चेंजेस हैं वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस चैप्टर. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स असेंबलिंग अस, human beings assembling us originated about 1,60,000 years ago. Means 1,60,000 years ago. During this long period of human history, people obtained food by either scavenging or hunting animals and gathering plant produce. Now, these are the terms. What is scavenging? Scavenging means to eat dead animals. उसको scavenging कहते हैं. Clear? It is a scientific term. When human beings eat dead animals, that is termed as scavenging. Hunting animals, when humans hunt the animals for food. Hunting means शिकार करना, जब मनुष्य शिकार करता है एनिमल्स का, and for food purpose, that is known as hunting animal. And gathering plants means do agriculture, pluck fruit, food from plants, that is termed as gathering, produce. They also learned how to make stone tools and to communicate with each other. All these are the evaluations of human being. Means he learned to grow food, he learned to make stone tools, he learned to communicate with each other, one another, with the passage of time. And all these changes took place day by day with the passage of time. And after these changes, human appeared as a modern being. Although other ways of obtaining food were adopted later, hunting gathering continued. Even these days, in some parts of India or in some parts of world, people who are living in forests, deserts, mountains, they hunt animals for food. Even they pluck or collect food from plants for their survival. Even today, there are hunter-gatherer societies in some parts of the world. This makes us wonder whether the lifestyles of present-day hunter-gatherers can tell you anything about the past. Definitely, because we people are belonging to past, present, and even future. Human race is the same. The race which is living in a society that is developed from those people who are living in forests. So we are having similarities. Yes, bete. Discoveries of human fossils, stone tools, and cave painting help us to understand early human history. Means we have many discoveries of human fossils, stone tools we have found, cave paintings we have found, pottery we have found, tools we have found. All these things are related to human history. They told us about the story of the past, about the story of the person who was living in past, who lived in past. Each of these discoveries have a history of its own. Means how tools were made and which stone was used to make tools, which weapons were used to make tools, which colors were used for painting, how paintings were prepared, where they were prepared, who was making painting, which feelings were shown in the painting. All these things have question in it. Very often, when such finds were first made, most scholars refuse to accept that these fossils were the remains of early humans. Means this history is the question of debate. Some people believe on the remains which we have discovered and some have doubts. So means it is the subject of debate, discussion. It is not accepted without any question. So many questions are there by different peoples. लोग अलग अलग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं फिर जाके मानते हैं. ठीक है जी. तो मीन हिस्ट्री को लेकर हमेशा क्वेश्चन चलते ही रहते हैं. Very often when such finds were first made, most scholars refused to accept that these fossils were the remains of early humans. They were also skeptical about the ability of early humans to make stone tools or paint. Why they have question? Because they were not sure that early human is able to make tools or he has the knowledge to do painting or to make tools. Means it appeared that it is not made by early human. That's why they have doubts about the ability, about the potential power of early human, about the knowledge of early human. It was only over a period of time that the true significance of these finds were realized. Now, after getting so many proofs, evidences, it is realized that they were made by early humans. 1 minute, bete.